Students, now let us discuss an important recent trend in logistics, that is virtual warehousing. So what is virtual warehousing? Virtual warehousing is a concept that will set the framework for application that will accelerate the competitiveness of some of the large companies in the international market. So virtual warehousing means something which is virtually existent rather than physically existent. And that warehouse will actually provide the competitiveness to different companies and across the international market. Virtual warehousing है क्या? It's a concept which is defined as a worldwide system. Worldwide system means you would be using the tracking system of any company, you would be using the warehousing of any location or of any company, you would be using the distribution centers of any other company or any third party across the globe. And it would carry out the dynamic and continuous material logistic functions. Dynamic as well as continuous material logistic functions. What does it mean? With respect to time, your material handling requirement could change because you would be dealing in different type of materials. And continuous means there would be no gap. So there is always some material or there is always some shipment that requires your contribution, that requires your skill, that requires to be handled. It actually utilizes the hybrid algorithms that perform at the efficiency and accuracy level achieved only by the world-class single location distribution centers. Ideally, VW would be similar to the functionality of a single location distribution center in which every type of material which is in that warehouse, you know how to handle it, how to store it. So in virtual warehousing across the globe, you would know there would be in a computer systems, there will be hybrid algorithms that would actually define the material handling procedures for each and every type of material. And it would be accurate enough that you can actually compare it with that ideal single location warehouse. Virtual warehouses are not that common. It is just an emerging concept. You need to remember it. And it can only be used by large companies who can invest in VW. So VW is actually based on emerging technologies. It is still a work in process. There is a lot of things that needs to be done. But we know the benchmark, that what would be the benchmark? The ideal single location warehouse where you know what to do with the material. Thank you.